Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hello, are you doing well? Today is my exam. I'm going to take the exam, so I will take a little tour of my village with him. I am ready and gone. First, it is garden. Then look the road. So look the sky. It looks very beautiful today, and I love it. I love it. I like it. Amazing, really amazing a picture. This is our playground. There are many trees here. There used to be more trees next to it, but now there are no, because many trees have been cut down. So I hate this. Cut the tree. I hate it. So see, the sky is beautiful. I like it. Amazing. I love it. I love the nature because I am human. Human beings always love to nature. There is a historical place. The king used to live here in the north. Its Bengali meanings in Nartoki. The whole house is destroyed. There's no one here. There's a banyan tree. There is a witness to many things. So see the house and see the trees. Then there is a pond built with sand. After a while there will be nothing but memories. I capture in my mind the memory. I am returning home after the exam. The exam went very well. The evening is also calm. It looks very beautiful. The atmosphere is also enchanting. This is the end of today's journey. If you like it, like it. If you're new, subscribe and don't forget to share. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.